How to stop someone from saving your snap on Snapchat? Let's jump right into the steps. First off, you want to go ahead and open Snapchat on your phone. Click on Snap by tapping on the shutter button on the camera. So to stop someone from saving your snap, tap on the time-like option here. And you have to make sure that you have put this in some type of timer so that they won't be able to save your snap. For example, you just put it in 1 second so that the snap will be displayed on their screen only for 1 second. And when you tap on it and send it to any of your friend, they'll be only able to see the snap for 1 second only. And in the same way, click a video like this. And if you don't want to let them save your video, what you need to do is on the right hand corner, you want to slide down and then tap on play once button. When you tap on it several times, it will change to once, loop and bounce. Now you want to put it in once, not loop. If you put it in loop, they will be able to save your video. And when you put it into once, then they will not be able to save your video. So what you need to do is put it on 1 and then tap on send to. That is how you can stop someone from saving your snap on Snapchat. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the end.